Get them
Yeah, I know. I already know. Get ready. Can't feel it. Can't see it. There it is. Yeah, you were on top a little. That's all. It's no big deal. That's just tricky.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention there for a second.
Tricky Ricky. You know what I'm talking about. We'll get it all set up. We'll put this baby together and see if it fits the door opening now. After taking 3/16 off each side. I hope it does.
You gonna paint these?
What'd you say?
Are you gonna paint these, or are you supposed to paint these?
Yeah, they're gonna paint them.
Okay.
I'm just modifying it, make them.
Some of that, you still get the dirt off of it anyway, you know?
Yep. I'm just modifying them, installing them.
I was just asking, like, as far as wiping these down, I didn't know if I needed to.
Yep. No, that's fine. We might primer them. After cutting the bifold doors, I put them back together with the hinges on the back side. Now I'm about to put the rail across the top. Might have to go cut this. Sure I do. Sure I will have to. Yep. Needs to be 1/4 inch off. So I cut this. So fast, make your head spin. So now let me get the screws and screw it in. Right there. Right there. That's 1, 2, got one more down there. Okay, now that we got our first screw, second screw, and third screw right there. This is adjustable right here for the leg peg right now. We're about to put that in. When you're putting these together, right here's your top one. You put it in the dowel hole, and then you put that, gently knock it in with a hammer. Same thing over here with your wheel. This wheel literally rides the rail up in here on this side, and then the peg comes over here, this peg. Down here we have the adjustable on this side, right here. Same thing, hit that in. Don't kill it, but hit it in. Right here, and I use a little hammer. Just bottom it out, and there's your adjustment right there. That's what you want to do, right there. Now repeat the process on the top. With both of these right here. Same thing here, but on this one you gotta hold it in and kind of pump your fingers. It hurts. Ouch! It hurts when that happens. So I try to always have something that can help me, like maybe something like this, maybe. Nope, that's not right. Let's go to this side. No. Hold on. Here we go. I'll have this help me so I don't hurt myself. There we go. Right there. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Over here, same thing with this wheel. You can see right here. See that? I'll put this in front of it. Same thing. Almost. Almost. Yes. Nice. And you want that to be spring activated, because if it doesn't spring, well, now you got a problem. Okay, there it is. Now I got to put this foot for the base over here on this side. Right there. Let me go get some drill bits so I can pre-drill this. Look at this. It won't stop snowing. People's dragging against the truck. Look like crap. Look like crap. Yeah, that's what we need. Drill bit kit. Oops. Yeah, we can take that off. Okay. Let me see what you get here. Okay. One more. One is the loneliest number that you ever seen. One. There you go. That's what it should look like. Pre-drilled. Now we'll take the door. Now that I put my foot on there, my foot peg on there. And I put my wheel and that in through this. Look at that. That's smoother than peanut butter on a nice piece of fresh bread, let me tell you. Now all I gotta do is zip a handle on there, take it off, get it ready for paint prep. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I pre-drilled that baby, so I'm putting it in now. I'm gonna take it back out off the other side and do the same thing again. Okay, put that bolt back in. Do this again. Come on now. That's what we want. We want it to be exact fit. Let me get the handle. Now I can try to get my body around and try to hold on to the handle. At least get it started right. Yeah, there we go. Get it started, and then see if I can hold this door. And go down a little lower, like down here. Let me see. Yeah, right there. Very nice. One more little bit. Right there. That's what you want. Look at that. Smooth operation. There you have it, folks. Basic installation of a 36-inch door with a 35.5-inch opening. And here's how she looks. Look at that. Smooth operation. There you have it. Please like, share, subscribe. Till next time. Thanks. Now on to the next project. Scraping off anything that has gotten a little bit loose or calcified. I noticed some bubbling, so we're scraping hard. This is what we're doing now.